Hello and welcome to another review from Uncle Gadget UK, eBay's premium gadget provider. Please visit our shop in eBay under the user ID Uncle Gadget UK, all one word. Okay, so today we're going to review the NDS Lite USB charger. For those of you who've misplaced your charger, which came with the console itself, this is quite a nice additional tool if you've got that already. It's basically quite a compact design. It uses a swivel mechanism, so you can stretch it up to about 80 centimeters. And basically, if you tug on the both sides again, it'll swivel back again. So once you've extended it, just plug this end. Sorry, wrong one. This end behind your NDS. Yeah. And then the other end, you just find a USB socket. There should be one on your PlayStation 3 if you have one. And also there should be one behind your Nintendo Wii. So if you just plug it in, the NDS Lite should start charging immediately. As you can see, the light's gone on. So this will charge up in about sort of half an hour to an hour, and it'll turn green and job's done. Okay, this is Uncle Gadget UK bringing you the NDS Lite toggle charger.